Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, I have 5 different job leads in this one video. These are all in the billing finance realm, and they are not healthcare billing. I do have some more healthcare videos coming up, but this is for those of you who don't want to be in the healthcare field or don't mind like billing AR type work. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. First up, we have the company VergeSense. Now, please always make sure you do your own research on these companies before giving them your personal information. I do try to do a little bit of a research, but sometimes it is hard to catch everything. With that being said, VergeSense only has 9 reviews on Glassdoor, but the reviews they do have are very good. They have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a billing specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only. One thing to quickly note, if you are in Australia or New Zealand, hang tight till the end of the video. I do have a work from home job lead for you as well. But back to this one. VergeSense is a leading workplace analytics platform used by Fortune 500 companies, and they are looking for a billing specialist to record the day-to-day transactions related to their accounts receivable and invoicing within the customer billing application. You'll assist with other various activities in the accounting department, including providing back office support for the operations. Specifically, you are going to be assisting with the executing of the billing processes for customers and the recommending process improvements. You'll ensure that invoices accurately reflect the terms and conditions agreed upon in the professional service agreements. You'll investigate and resolve any billing discrepancies and errors. You'll create invoices and billing materials to be sent directly to the customer. You'll verify the final billing entry is accurate before submitting, and you'll perform any billing adjustment activities as needed. You may also have to track outstanding billing issues, follow through, and resolve them in a timely manner. Now, of course, a bachelor's degree in accounting or related field is preferred, but not required. The only education required is a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has a minimum of 2 to 3 years of some kind of billing experience. Someone who has worked in a software as a service industry is highly preferred, but not required. But you do have to have great communication skills, a great organization and problem solving skills, and of course you have to be able to work with Microsoft Office and G Suite. If this role sounds like something you're interested in, pay is anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. Moving right along, well-known grocery delivery service Instacart is hiring a billing ops associate. Now, their billing ops associate will produce monthly invoice calculations for their B2B partners. You'll be generating monthly invoices to the partners. You'll review new and existing contracts to determine the billing structure. You'll do any ad hoc reconciliations of the customer billing and invoices. You'll respond to the customer inquiries regarding any billing disputes or discrepancies that they have, and you'll partner with their business development team to address all customer contract changes where billing is concerned. Again, a bachelor degree in finance or accounting is preferred but not required. What is required is someone who has 2 to 3 years of some kind of professional accounting experience with a focus in quote to cash operations. Somebody again who can use Microsoft Excel, detail oriented and with strong financial knowledge. And of course you have to have great communication skills. Now, Instacart is known for paying very, very well. On the low end, they pay $27.05 an hour, all the way up to, on the high end, they pay $36.06 an hour. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. Next up, we have a company, Spout Social. Now, Spout Social has a little bit more reviews on Glassdoor. They have 482 reviews, and they have a great rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a billing specialist for their finance department. This is remote for the United States only. But again, this is a billing job. They're looking for somebody to manage customer inquiries and provide solutions related to billing. You'll complete the vendor setup forms and onboarding for the customer billing portals. You'll work with the billing management team to resolve any customer questions, concerns, billing requirements that may prevent timely collection of payment. You'll be responsible for some kind of a payment collection and application. You'll activate new orders in a timely manner in accordance with the billing schedule. And of course, you'll perform quality review of customer credits, refunds, adjustments, rebills, all of those types of things. They are looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years of some kind of billing or cash application experience, someone who has 1 to 3 years experience using different software systems in a billing role. They would like somebody who has experience with systems like NetSuite, Salesforce, Zendesk, or some kind of a similar software. And of course, you have to have strong written and oral communication skills and great attention to detail, but no college degree is actually required. Now, Spout Social is paying anywhere from $46,400 a year all the way up to $69,600 a year for this role. Of course, that's again based on location and experience. And it does say they do offer benefits, including medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, all the things. This next one really should not need any introduction. Dow Jones is hiring a entry-level billing analyst. This is remote again for the United States. But they are looking for somebody to perform billing, research, and customer service related activities supporting the company's business operations. You'll make sure billing cycles are handled efficiently and accurately. You'll work in a team environment, establishing and building those strong relationships. You'll learn the systems in a timely manner and comply with the company and departmental policies and procedures. You'll be analyzing and answering inquiries from internal and external customers. You'll utilize the systems and tools to perform department objectives. And of course, you'll be addressing and resolving any escalations that come up. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree either. They're looking for somebody who understands the billing of customer service activities, generally accepted accounting principles, and internal accounting controls. Someone who has great communication skills, again, can work with those Microsoft Office suite products, including Excel and Word. Someone who is deadline-oriented, great communication skills, and you must be able to work independently and exercise good judgment skills. Now, their salary range is wide varied. Of course, salary is going to be dependent on location and experience, but the stated salary is anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $160,000 a year. Real quickly, if you've made it to this part of the video, let me know down in the comments below. Leave a comment like "still here," "stop rambling," whatever you want. Just let me know if you've made it to this point. But this last work from home job lead is for my viewers that are either in Australia or New Zealand. Employment Hero is hiring a billing analyst. Now, they are based out of Sydney, Australia, but it says the role can be done from anywhere in Australia or New Zealand. They are looking for somebody to own the end-to-end customer billing process, including the review and approval of usage reports. You'll process the monthly bill runs, execute on billing system administration, including customer accounts, product catalogs, subscriptions, and workflows. You'll provide those monthly billing reports and analysis. You'll manage the adjustments to billing accounts and investigate any causes of error to revenue leakage. Now, they are looking for somebody who is experienced as a billing analyst with 2 or more years, someone who has been exposed to a software as a service billing system before, someone who is tech savvy, can learn new tools fast. Again, you have to have those Microsoft Excel skills, and they want somebody who is creative and comes up with new and creative ideas. Now, unfortunately, I did not see pay listed for this position, but they do list that they offer a host of different benefits, including wellness programs, learning and development programs, and all of that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I know I can get long-winded and rambly sometime. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.